Alright everybody, we're here at 25925 Telegraph Road in Southfield, Michigan, and we got some elevators, got some doors. Check this out. Otis call buttons. It's interesting. Also, a couple banks of elevators. That's where we are right here. There's a bank just down there, and there's one just down the hall. Right there. Alright, let's ride these elevators. Now look at that. Amber buttons, very nice. But like I said, Dover on the inside. Let's go down. Indicators burnt out. Going up?
Yeah. Well, sorry about that.
No
We
problem.
Go to 3, please.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank
Yeah. Have a great day. Thanks, you too.
Let's get a cap.
These are nice cabs, and it's a very interesting setup with the Otis buttons on the outside. So there's the other bank of elevators over there. Let's go to 2 and we'll switch elevators. Send this one away. This one's going up. Love those buttons. Yeah, it's this one again. Oh, the other one may not be working. I don't hear it running, so it's the only one in the bank that's actually working. So we'll end it on 1. Oh, now I hear the other one. Let's go catch the other one. That was strange. There it is. Now it decides to work. That's so strange. Here's serial number on this one. Let's take this one down to 1. Indicator's burnt out. Alright, we'll take a look at the phantom resistant call button because it's pretty cool. There it goes, that will be it.